हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। ओके, सो आज हम फ्रेंड्स झूलाजी सेकंड ईयर के फर्स्ट पेपर के टॉप 40 प्लस एमसीक्यू डिस्कस करेंगे। ओके, तो फ्रेंड्स अगर आप इस चैनल पे न्यू हो तो चैनल को अवश्य सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा, और अगर आपको सेशन अच्छी लगी हो तो बेल आइकन को प्रेस करके घंटी बटन को ज़रूर प्रेस कीजिएगा। ओके, तो चलिए फ्रेंड्स देर न करते हुए आज की इस क्लास को शुरू करते हैं। सो फ्रेंड्स, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, which of the following structure is present in all the chordates? So friends, option A is cranium, option B notochord, option C spinal cord, option C vertebral column. So friends, the correct answer is that option B, that is notochord is correct answer. Okay, notochord correct answer. Notochord is present in all chordates. Now next question friends, question number 2, which of the following is the characteristic of chordates? Option A autotomy, option B myotomy, option C that is pharyngotomy, and option D is dermatotomy. So friends, correct answer is option C, that is pharyngotomy is correct answer. Hence option number C is correct answer friends. Now next question friends, question number 3, the three germs layer, namely ectoderm, endoderm, and mesoderm, found in which? Option A, option B, option C, and option D. So friends, correct answer is option number C, all the chordates and higher invertebrates. Okay, all chordates and higher invertebrates is correct answer. Now question number 4 friends, bilateral symmetry is seen in the body of organisms of. The correct answer is option number 4 friends, that is annelids, arthropods, and vertebrates. Okay, annelids, arthropods, and vertebrates is seen in the body of organisms. Now next question friends, question number 5, paired segmented nerves have dorsal and ventral roots in. The correct answer is option number C, that is vertebrates should be the correct answer. Okay friends, vertebrates is correct answer. Pair segmented nerve have dorsal and ventral roots in vertebrates. Now next question friends, which of the following organisms neither have notochord vertebral column in the adult stage? So correct option is that friends, option number B, that is herdmania. Okay, herdmania should be the correct answer. Now next question friends, question number 7, the term head in vertebrate morphology includes option A, option B, option C, option D. So friends, the correct answer is that option C, brain skull. Okay, brain skull, sense organ, and also jaws. The term head, okay, in vertebrate morphology includes brain, skull, sense organs, and also jaws. Now next question friends, question number 8, which of the following is the heart is not ventral in position? So option A fish, option B frog, option B lamprey, and option D is crab. So which one is correct answer friends? So friends, option number D, that is crabs. Okay, crabs is the correct answer. We know crabs now, very proper seasons in crabs, rainy seasons. Okay, now next question friends, that is question number 9, central free and post zygophysis transverse process are part of what? That is option A skull of frog, option B that is vertebrae of frog, option C sternum of frog, and option D is pectoral girdle of frogs. So which one is correct answer? So friends, क्वेश्चन 9 का जो हमारा करेक्ट आंसर होगा वो ऑप्शन नंबर बी, दैट इज द वर्टिब्रल ऑफ क्रॉप शुड बी द करेक्ट आंसर. ओके, वर्टिब्रल ऑफ क्रॉप. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन फ्रेंड्स, क्वेश्चन नंबर 10, द schizoquilic phyla are. So the option C is correct answer, that is Annelida, Arthropoda, and Mollusca should be the correct answer. Now question number 11 friends, which of the following is the vertebrate organisms? Which of the following is the vertebrate organisms? The correct answer is option A cuttlefish, option B crayfish, option C globefish, and the devil fish. Which one is correct answer, friends? So option C, that is globe fish, is correct answer. Okay, option C, globe fish, is correct answer. Now question number 12, friends. Which of the following animals notochord does not persist through the life? Okay, so option A is ambitious, option B is tunicates, option C is petromyzon, and option D mycin. So friends, the correct answer is our question number 12 is option number B, that is tunicates. Okay, so tunicates is correct answer, friends. Now next question, friends, question number 13, that is pharyngeal gills slits. Pharyngeal gill slits, option A, are unique chordates, that is characteristics, are found in fishes, crab, snails, aquatic insects. Option C, are found in higher invertebrates and vertebrates. Option D, are not found in protochordates but are present in vertebrates at least during the embryonic life. The correct answer is that, friends, option number A, that is are unique chordates characteristics. Pharyngeal gill slits is a characteristics of chordate. Okay, unique euchordates. Now next question, friends, that is question number 14. Hepatic portal system is present in all. Option A, that is aminoids only, that is anamnoids only. Option C, that is amnioids and that is anaminoids only. And option D is amphibians and mammals. So friends, correct answer is option C, that is amnioids and anamnioids only. So option C is correct answer, friends. Okay, option C is correct answer. Now next question, friends. In which of the animals the heart does not have the left and right, that is auricles? Okay, so very important question, friends. In which of the animal, अब इसे important कर लीजिएगा क्वेश्चन नंबर 15 को. ओके, important कर दीजिएगा. In which of the animal the heart does not have the left and right auricles? Okay, so that is option A, that is cartilaginous and bony fishes should be the correct answer. Okay, cartilaginous and bony fishes, they does not have the left and right auricles. Then next question, friends. The first cell formed in respect of origin of life was the option A, that is prokaryotes should be the correct answer. Okay, prokaryotes should be the correct answer. Now the formic acids and oxalic acids were formed by the Melvin Calvin in the context of origin of life with the help of, that is option D, friends, that is irridations of mixture of CO2 and water vapor with the help of, that is cyclotron. Now the meaning of evolution was written by the Simpson. Option B is correct answer. The meaning of evolution was written by Simpson. According to modern hypothesis of biological evolutions of origin of life, that is occurred on his earth about 3.5 billion years ago. Okay, option B is correct, that is 3.5 billion years ago. Now next question, friends, and very important questions. According to neo-Darwinism, which one of the following is responsible for organic evolution? Okay, according to neo-Darwinism, which one of the following is responsible for organic evolution? So option A, friends, mutation and natural selection. Mutation and natural selection is the correct answer. Now next question, friends. The main factor of evolution is what? The main factor of evolution is, that is acquired characters. The main factor of evolution is acquired characters. Now next questions. Who is the author of the book Origin of Life? So friends, who is the author of the book Origin of Life? That is Oparin should be the correct answer. Option B, that is Oparin should be the correct answer. Okay. Now next question, friends. In which type of egg the blastomeres, if separated, develop into a whole embryo? The correct answer is option B, that is regulative. Regulative should be the correct answer. Now question number 2. Which part of the egg lies close to the animal pole? Option A, option B, option C, option D. So friends, option C, that is nucleus, should be the correct answer. Okay. Now question number 3, which of the following is not a true as criteria for classification the animal X? So friends, size and eggs, that is option number D, should be the correct answer. Okay, size and eggs. Now next questions, jelly develop of X membrane is found in jelly develop of as membrane is found in. So friends, option number B, that is sea urchin, should be the correct answer. Okay. Now question number 5, egg containing enormous quality of egg are called as, very important questions friends, eggs containing enormous qualities of yolk are called as the option number which one, that is macrolethal eggs. Macrolethal eggs, that means option number which one, that is option number 3, that is macrolethal eggs should be the correct answer. Very similarity options friends, confuse हो सकते हो. First one is microlethal eggs, second one is mesolethal eggs, and third one is macrolethal eggs, and fourth one is alethal eggs. So friends, option C, that is macrolethal eggs, okay, should be the correct answer. Eggs containing enormous quantities of yolk are called as macrolethal eggs. Now the next topic के ऊपर बढ़ेंगे friends. The next question is friends, implantation is the process of which? So friends, implantation is the process of option number A, that is attachment of blastocytes to the that is uterine wall. Okay, implantation is the process of attachment of blastocyst to the uterine wall, should be the correct answer. Okay. Now the next question friends, the question that is the this embryo has a parasitic mode of nutrition, that is mammalian embryo, bird's embryo, amphibian embryo, and reptilia embryo. So friends, option A, that is mammalian embryo, is the correct answer. Mammalian embryo has a parasitic mode of nutrition. Okay. Now next question friends, that is implantation is followed by option A parturition, option B copulation, option C fertilization, and option D that is gestation. So friends, option D gestation is the correct answer. Okay. Now next questions, mesoderm gives rise to all the structures except option A gonads, option B circulatory system, option C nervous system, and option D circular system. So friends, option C, that is nervous system, should be the correct answer. Okay, option C, that is nervous system, is correct answer. Now the next question friends, and these questions are very important. Which type of hormone causes an immediate response, that is releaser, ovulations, and primer? So friends, all of the above are correct answer. Okay, all of the above is correct answer, that is releaser, ovulations, and primer the type of the that is pheromones and causes the immediate response. Okay. Now next questions, that is pheromones can be released in which of the following ways? So friends, pheromones are released in urine, from the skin, and feces. So जो pheromones होता है यूरिन में भी रिलीज हो सकता है, फ्रॉम स्किन से भी रिलीज होता है, एंड feces से भी रिलीज हो सकता है फ्रेंड्स. ओके, सो ऑल द करेक्ट आंसर. Now next question friends, the fight muscles are attached to the sternum and clavicles and extend to the, that is which one a correct answer? So friends, so the option number A, that is humerus, should be the correct answer. Okay, so humerus is correct answer friends. Now next question, the posterior caudal vertebrae are fused to form a structure called, so which one is correct answer? So option number D, that is pygostyle, is correct answer. Okay, so that is pygostyle. The posterior caudal vertebrae are fused to form a structure called that is pygostyle. Next, the class Eos have the number of orders. So friends, the class Eos has the number of orders is that is the 27. Option C is correct answer. Okay. Now next questions. The gonads are in the abdominal region present in next to that is option B kidney should be the correct answer. Okay. नाउ फ्रेंड्स फाइनली हम अपने लास्ट स्लाइड पर पहुंच ही गए. ओके. और टॉप 40 एमसीक्यू डिस्कस किया आज हमने झूलाजीब फर्स्ट पेपर के. ओके. अगर आपको क्लास अच्छी लगी तो लाइक बटन को ज़रूर प्रेस कीजिएगा और ऐसे ही इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियो को देखने के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर कीजिएगा. थैंक यू एंड ऑल द बेस्ट.